This is going to be the ultimate guide for Microsoft Access tutorial video. So in this tutorial video we are going to learn about Microsoft Access from the start, that is from the beginning till the end. So do not skip the video, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. So the first thing that we need to do over here is open Microsoft Access. So Microsoft Access is present inside Microsoft Office, and you can find Microsoft Access 2007, or it can be any version of yours. So from this particular window you have to take blank document or blank database. In case you are wondering why I am telling document, it's wrong, it's a database. So I'm going to name this database as YouTube, because I'm making it for YouTube and for all my viewers. And after creating this particular database, I have a table 1 inside this particular database. So what I am going to do over here is right click on this table 1, and you can see this option design view. I'm going to click on this option design view, and I'm going to name this particular table as subscribers, and I will click on OK. And after this we have to give the field names. So I'm going to give name of the subscriber, and after that I have to give the data type. So I will be giving the data type over here, so it will be text. And next I'm going to give country, so my subscribers country, this will be also text. Phone number, phone underscore number, so this will be number. Okay, so these are the 3 fields I'm creating in this table, and ID, that is the identification, the ID number, this will be the auto number. So this will automatically update once I start updating this particular table or fill data inside this particular table. So what I will do is go to views and click on this view button and go to datasheet view. It will tell me to, you must first save the table. Do you want to save the table now? I will click yes. So now I will be doing data entry. So you can do data entry from here like this. In the simple way you can do data entry like I'm doing at the moment. So I'm giving the country, the name of the subscriber, and also I'm giving his phone number, any phone number. This is just for example purposes, don't take it seriously. So I'm just giving you the tutorial by which you can learn easily. Now the next thing that we can do over here is go to create, and after going to create we have to go to this forms group. Inside the forms group you will get this form option. Click on this form option, and you can see I have got this particular form view over here. So this is subscribers, and I will right click on this, click on save, and I will rename this to subscribers form, and I will click on OK. And after that again I will right click on this, and you can go to form view, and after that you have to press enter. So I entered only one data. Now I will enter my next data. So I am entering my next data over here, and again press enter, and I will be entering my third data. So this is my third data, and I'm giving this particular data inside this particular table. Okay, so after that you have to right click on this, click on save, and this form has been saved. You can go to this particular tab. This is the table tab, and by the way this is the table tab and this is the form tab. So I'm clicking on this table tab, and you can see I have not received the entered data inside my table. So what I will do is go to the records, this is the group, and click on refresh all option. So you can see all my datas which I entered in the form view are updated inside my table. So this is one process of entering data inside a table. So the next process I will show you is inside the form again. So go to form view and right click on this, go to design view, and you can design your form from here. You have different sections of this particular window. So first I have the logo. So I will bring this one down, my screen recorders window. Now I will click on this particular logo and I will take a logo from here. So I will have to click on this, go to this controls group and click on this logo option. And after going to logo, let's say I am taking a logo. So I have some pictures over here. Let's say my channel logo, maybe here. Yeah, here it is. Click on OK. So you can increase the decrease the size of this particular logo. The next thing that we are going to do over here is I can rename this particular subscribers heading. This is the form heading or the title, you can say, but I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to change the font. So I will be taking Arial black. So I have to choose Arial black. Here it is, and again select it and then go to size. So I will be making it, let's say 22, big, just a bit broad, and then I will be giving this particular color, or you can also give the highlighting color as well, the highlighting portion. So again I can do this one as well. I can make it bold, I can bring it in the center, and also make the size of this ID, it's too big, so I will be giving 16, let's say. Yeah, that's fine. And you can also change the font of this one as well. So I will be changing the font here. Okay, so this font size is too big, so I'm giving 14, and you can do it for like this for the same, for the name. Okay, so you can do it here as well. So I am doing it for here as well. Okay, so I didn't give the color, so I will be giving the color over here as well. So country, you can also do that as well, like I'm doing it over here. And you can give the phone number color as well. Now you can do the same for all these. Okay, so you can do the same for all these, like I'm doing. Yellow is not suiting well, so I will be keeping it automatic. I will just fill the colors over here. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Okay, don't skip the video and watch. If you skip and watch, you won't be able to learn anything. I always mention this inside all my videos. You have to watch the videos from the beginning till the end, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything, because if you skip and watch, then it's no benefit for you. Okay, so now after doing all the editings, I will right click on this and go to form view, and you can see my form is looking pretty well over here. It's looking quite different than the other one. So I'm entering data for my channel, the subscribers, that is the subscribers count for my channel. It's really low, it's only 85, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and support me to make the contents for you and bring free contents for you. That's free. The subscription button is free, and the like button is also free, so make sure you hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. So now the next thing that we are going to do here is again go to create, and I'm going to create a report of this particular table. Okay, this particular table. Why I am creating a report? Because if I go to this office button and click on print and go to print preview, then you can see my print, it's very normal. So if I do it in Excel and I do it in here, that is in Access, it will be the same. There is no difference between these two. So what I am going to do over here is make this particular printout a bit interesting. Okay, so you can see I have 3 repeated, that is I have 3 over here and 3 over here. So I will delete this, and now this particular margin and this particular margin and this particular margin, I am going to explain it just a bit for you. This is the right margin, this is the left margin, and this is the top margin. So inside this margin you can see my data entered over here. So this is the page setup. Okay, so you have to go to page setup and select a size, an appropriate size for you. If it's A4, then it's okay. You can see it's A4 already. So this is in the printable form, so this is A4, that's okay. If you want to make it landscape, you can do it landscape, like you will get broader areas in case of landscape. So if you do it landscape, then it's good for you. If you have serial straight datas, that is vertical datas, then you can do portrait. Or if you have too many horizontal datas, then you can do it landscape. It's up to you. Okay, I'm keeping it portrait at the moment, but if I keep it portrait, you can see the date and the time it's going out. So I'm going to do it landscape like this, by which I get a lot of space for my editings. So I will go to format, and I can format all these So I will be pressing the shift key and selecting these columns all at once. So I've selected all at once, and I will be doing some editings here. So I will be changing the font and also giving a center alignment over here, and I can also fill as well. So I'm going to fill, and I can also give some colors. Okay, so this is how you can do, and I will be selecting all these at once, again pressing the shift button and clicking on these and making sure that all of these datas are selected simultaneously. So I am keeping the text red, and also I am keeping the background yellow over here. Okay, so you can do it like this. Oops, red and red is too much. Yeah, so this is how you can do it over here. So one thing is missing, that is the logo. So we will be going to logo again, and let's select a logo from D drive. Inside D drive I have a folder named YouTube, and Technical Deep, the name of the channel, and also my channel logo is over here. So I will be giving it over here, and I will make it a bit bigger to see. Yeah, that's fine. So I will be bringing this subscribers thing over here. Yeah, and now I will be editing that one as well. So I will be making this a bit bigger, by which my printout looks a bit professional. So giving Arial black, yeah, and I will be giving some colors. So let's say again the red color and the yellow fill for this. Yeah, now this is looking pretty well. So now if I go to print and print preview, you can see the printout. It's looking like this, except for the logo. It's the pixels are getting bad for the logo. Again, over here you can check the size. Always check for the size, it's A4 or not. And if you don't have a A4 size paper, if you are printing in something else, on something else, then you should check from here as well. So I will be closing this print preview, and now my subscribers, the table, subscribers table, this is the form for the subscribers table. Okay, so I can give the page number as well over here. So page number should be N, and top of the page, that is header. So you can see that I have this particular page number, page 1 of 1. So it shows that I have only one page. So if you have plenty of pages, multiple pages, then you can give it over there as well. Now the next thing that we are going to do over here is go to create, and then I will be creating a query on this particular table. Okay, so query wizard, first I'm going to show you the query wizard. This is the simple query wizard, and click on OK. And after that I have to select the fields on which I'm going to do queries. So I'm going to do query on name. So this is the first one, the query. Second one is the country. So name and country, these are the two fields on which I'm going to do query. Next, and after that it will say you that do you want to open the query or modify the query's design. Open the query to view information. I will click on finish, and you can see I have made a query. So this is one way of doing query. This is a very simple process. Now I will right click on this, close, and I won't be saving this. I will say no, and now I will go to query design. And after going to query design, you will get this kind of a window. So if you have multiple tables, it will show here. So I have only one table, so I will be clicking on this and click add and close this. So I have to move this here. Okay, now the next thing that we need to do is select name, or you can select it from here as well. Click the drop down and click on name and go to criteria. Now what kind of criterias we have? We have Abhishek, country is India, and the phone number is this. So I'm making a query on name. So I will be telling that equals double quotation asterisk A. So let's see that how many of those names ends with A. So I will be going to design and clicking on run. So no one has a name ending with A. Oh, Priya has the name ending with A. So let's see, did a mistake over there. Okay, I think we gave the equal to wrong. So let's try it again. Yeah, that's perfect. So Priya has the name a name which ends with A. Okay, now the next thing that we need to do again is go to design view, and I'm going to tell the query that that is the criteria, A asterisk, that is starting with A. Okay, so Abhishek has a name which is starting with A. Again, go to design view, and I will be telling that starting with F. So friend, I gave a name over there, friend. Yes, that's perfect. Again, right click, go to design view. Now I'm going to do a query on country, and let's say I want to see India, that is like I asterisk, that is country's name starting with India. So I have two India over here, subscribers from India, Abhishek and Priya. So these are the two subscribers. So right click on this, again go to design view, and next one that I am going to do over here is click on this, click on phone number. So let's say I'm going to give greater than, let's say 90,000. It's more than 90,000. Run. Okay, so this is the particular number which has more than that particular number I gave inside this criteria field. Okay, so this is how you can do queries based on your criteria. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do over here is, again go to query design. I will click yes. Okay, this is the query one. I will click OK. Now we are going to do the cross tab query wizard. So click on cross tab query wizard, click on OK, and after that you have table subscribers view in query. I will go with query, so I will go with subscribers query, and you can see the next button. The table or query you selected does not have enough fields to provide data for a cross-tab query. Select a table or a query with at least 3 numeric data or text fields. Okay, so I will be doing that, and I will be right back. Okay, so we have to take tables over here because I don't have much column headings over there. So I will have to take tables, and click on subscribers and then click on next. And after that I'm going to do name and phone number from here, and click on OK, and I will be clicking next. So which fields value do you want as column headings? So I am going to take ID, next, and I'm going to take country, this is the count, next, and view the query, finish. So you can see the total count has been given over here. Okay, you can change the name as well. These are the counts which are being given, like Abhishek, this is the name, and you can see the phone number over here is the country. So these are all unique datas. Okay, so Abhishek appeared only once, that is why 1 is written over there, and a friend appeared only once, 1 is written over there. Priya has appeared only once, so 1 is written over there. So this is how it works. Total country, you have only 1 countries, so 1 is written over there, and phone numbers are also 1 pieces of phone numbers, so that is why 1 is written over there as well. So this is how you can do cross tab query. If you want a detailed video on the cross tab query, then make sure you leave a comment in the comment box, by which I can make a detailed video on that as well. So the next thing that we are going to do is, I will close all these, I'll close the query as well, subscribers, this one as well, and okay, and this form as well. Now we are going to create another table over here. So right click on this table, go to design view. Okay, this is table 1, this is subscribers, and this is table 1. Okay, now I will be giving over here address, and I will be giving state. So 2 fields only, both of them will be text. Again go to subscribers. Now I will be right clicking on this and go to save, and right click again and go to datasheet view. Now I will be entering a few datas over here, and after entering just a few datas, just 2 datas, that's okay, there's only 1 data, that's fine. So I will be going to create go to database tools, so relationship option. So after clicking on this, I will be taking subscribers and table 1. These are the 2 tables I have inside my database. So what we are going to do over here is create a relationship between these 2 tables. So I will be creating a relationship between these 2 tables. So go to edit relationship, and then you can click on create relationship. So left table name is subscribers, and my right table name is table 1. The left column will be name, and the right column will be address, and I will click OK, and after that I will click on create. So you can see a straight line is appearing at the moment. So this straight line, you can double click on this straight line and this window will appear, edit relationship. You can edit relationship from here as well. So this is how you can create relationship as well. Okay, so this is how you can create relationship. So I will hide this table, I brought it by mistake. This edit relationship, create new, and I will again take subscribers as my left table name and table 1 as my right table name, and I will be taking name again and joining it with state. Okay, so it says that a relationship already exists. Do you want to edit the existing relationship to create a new relationship? Yes. So I will create on click on OK, and you can see that name and address, these are the two things that that have the relationship between these two. So again I will go to edit relationship, so subscribers and table 1, so create new. So I will be creating new subscribers and table 1, name along with address, not address, state. Okay. Okay, so create, and you can see that multiple relationship has been created with name with address and address with the name, that is address name with the state, name with the state. So this is appearing over here like this one. So this is how you can do multiple relationship inside MS Access. So yeah, this has been a long video till now, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. All the subscribers, thank you for subscribing this channel, and make sure you also hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. These are all free of cost, and by which I get motivation of bringing more videos for you all in the near future. And also presently uploading is continuously going on inside the channel. So see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.